Hi everyone, I am Mr. P. Rajendra Bhanteja. In this video, we are going to discuss about the concept of dice. Coming to the dice concept, if I roll a dice for one time, everybody knows what are the possible outcomes. That is, we'll get either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. The sample space n of s is equal to 6. Now, if I roll dice for 2 times or if I roll 2 dice at a time, then what are the possibilities I'll get? That is 1 on the first die, 1 on the second die, 1 on the first die, 2 on the second die, 1 on the first die, 3 on the second die, 1 on the first dice, 4 on the second dice, 1 on the first dice, 5 on the second dice, 1 on the first dice, 6 on the second dice. Likewise, 6 on the first dice, 1 on the second dice, 6 on the first dice, 2 on the second dice, 6 on the first, 3 on the second, 6 on this first, 4 on the second, 6 on this first, 5 on the second, 6 on the first and 6 on the second. So total there are 36 chances. The sample space is 36. Now from these two I can conclude that the general sample space in case of dice is, sir, look here. For example, if a dice is rolled for one time, the sample space is 6. I can write it as 6 power 1. And if 2 dice are rolled at a time, the sample space is 36. So I can write it as 6 square. So from this, I can conclude that the general sample space in terms of dice is 6 power n. 6 power n is the general sample space, where n is called as number of throws. Number of throws. Now have a look here. For example, if a dice is thrown for 3 times or 3 dice is thrown at a time, 3 dice are rolled at a time, then the sample space will be 6 cube. So 216. So total there are 216 number of chances. Possibilities are 216. Okay, this is how we have to work out. Now have a look here. In this dice concept, we should remember one small concept, that is the sum possibility diagram. Sum possibility diagrams. These are very important. With this diagram, we can solve number of questions. Have a look here. For 2 dice, or if the dice is thrown for 2 times or for 2 dice. So I'll take the sum possibility diagram in the form of triangle. For the better understanding purpose, I can take triangle. Now have a look here. What is the least possible sum if the dice is rolled for twice? That is 1 on the first dice, 1 on the second dice. So least possible sum is 2. So 2 is the least possible sum. And highest possible sum is 12. That is 6 comma 6. Highest possible sum is 12. So we'll get 3 as sum, we'll get 4, we'll get 5, okay, we'll get 6, sum as 6, we'll get sum as 7. That is the numbers which appears on the 2 dice are 7. The sum of 2 numbers appear on the 2 dice are 7. Likewise 8, 9, 10, 11, and the highest total we will get is 12. Now have a look. Possibilities. Sir, the sum to possibility sum 12 possibility is only 1. It is only one time. That is With 1 1 we'll get the sum as 2, and 6 6 we'll get sum as 12. So possibilities is 1. Likewise, the possibility of 3 and 11 is 2, 4 and 10 is 3, 5 and 9 is 4, 6 and 8 is 5, and for 7 it is 6. There are 6 number of combinations to get the sum as 7. For example, for clear understanding purpose, I'll work on here. Have a look. For sum 7, sum as 7, have a look here. What are the combinations we'll get? 1 comma 6 will get. Next one, 6 comma 1 will get. Next, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 3, 5 comma 2, 2 comma 5. So there are 6 number of chances. Okay, there are 6 number of chances to get sum as 7. So if you remember this sum possibility diagram for 2 days, it will be helpful for us to solve the questions. And now have a look. For 3 days, how we can work on the sum possibility diagram for 3 days. Have a look here. For this, I'll take the shape of trapezium for the better understanding purpose. For the better understanding purpose, I'll take 1 minute please. For the better understanding purpose, I'll take trapezium, the shape of trapezium. Okay. Shape of trapezium. Okay. Have a look here. Have a look here. The least possible sum when 3 days are rolled is nothing but 3. That is 1, 1, 1. 1 on the first day, 1 appears on the second day, 1 appears on the third day. So the possibilities sum, the possibilities is least possible sum is 3. Likewise, highest possible sum is 18. Okay, we know already 666. Okay, we'll get sum as 18. Now we'll get sum as 4, sum as 5, sum as 6, 7, 8, sum as 9, sum as 10, sum as 11, sum as 12, sum as 13, sum as 14, sum as 15, sum as 16, sum as 17, and sum 18. Have a look here. How can I remember this? Sir, have a look. See, I'll tell you one reference values to be remembered. That is, the reference values to be remembered is 2, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the reference values we should remember. That is, see, the sum as 3 and the sum as 18 will appears or will happens for only once. Okay, will happens only once. Okay, will happens only once. So this will happen for only once, one time. Now have a look here. This will happens for only once. Let me take another color for the better understanding. So 3 and 18 will happens for only once. Now 4, that is 2, 1 plus 2, you will get 3. So 3. Next one, 3 plus 3, 6. That is the sum possibility we will get as 6. Now 6 plus 4, it is 10. Sum as 6, we have 10 number of possibilities. Next, 10 plus 5, 15. The sum as 7, we have 15 chances. Next, 15 plus 1, sorry, 15 plus 6, it is 21. Sum as 8, we have 21 possibilities. Now 21 plus 4, it is 25. Some possibility as 9. We have 25 chances. Next 25 plus 2 will get 27. The sum possibility as 27. Likewise, this 11, the sum possibility happens for 27 times. That is sum possibility 25 times. 13, the sum possibility is 21. Chances are there to get the sum as 13. And 15 chances are there to get the sum as 14. 10 chances are there to get the sum as 15. 6 chances are there to get sum as 16. And 3 chances are there to get the sum as 17. But the thing is, for better understanding purpose, you should remember these reference values. These are the reference values which you have to keep in mind. Reference values. Okay, you should keep in mind. See, have a look here. Let me explain. For example, I want to work with 5. I want to get sum as 5. I want to get sum as 5. Now, what are the chances I'll get? I'll get 1 on the first die, 3 on the second die, 1 on the third die. So 1, 3, 1. Likewise, 1, 1, 3. Okay. Or else it is 1, 1, 3 or 3, 1, 1. The sum is 5. Likewise, 2, 2, 1. Sum is 5. 2, 1, 2. Sum is 5. 1, 2, 2. Sum is 5. We have total 6 number of combinations. So that is what this 6 indicates. That is what this 6 indicates. So 5 will happen. There are 6 combinations to get the sum as 5. Okay, I hope it is clear. This is how you have to keep in mind. These are the two sum possibility diagrams which you have to keep in mind to get problems to be solved in a quicker manner. I hope it is clear. Next one. Thank you, everybody.